What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you to a festival in my hometown, Girdwood Forest Fair. Let's go. So the Girdwood Forest Fair is one of the largest festivals in Alaska, and it's also one of the most down home festivals in Alaska. There's no chain link fences, there's no tickets, there's no entry fees. It's totally free to the general public. There's like 40 bands playing, a ton of super awesome homemade stuff and stands, awesome food, and just kind of festivities all weekend. My buddy Mike Oviatt is playing music in 10 minutes, so let's get down there and catch him. He is the dude that throws all of the sound for the Forest Fair, or the majority of it. Awesome dude. Let's go watch him play some music. All right, we're heading up into Girdwood. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. It's supposed to be like this all weekend. Pretty stoked. The tough part is gonna be finding parking. It's probably gonna be packed up here. This is the town of Girdwood downtown. Everyone's walking to the festival right down the hill. Tyler Dyer holding the porch down at the parade. Here it goes. Yeah, we're gonna get some coffee going and join in the Girdwood Forest Fair parade. Be a good time. Should be a great time. Tyler's gonna throw up off the porch. Oh man. Oh my god. Fresh air. Yeah. It'll be smart. It's about to get hot from coffee anyway.
Eat any mushrooms, but I was like, one sense, like, maybe I should eat some. Like, with like,
How do you feel getting kicked out of a parade?
You know, it's not a good day unless I commit 3 felonies before I take my first test.
We get kicked out of the parade.
Okay.
We weren't dressed up enough. It's okay. It is what it is. That was pretty funny. We brought a little bit of costume stuff, and Tyler's gonna sit back there and just wave at kids and whatever in the back porch. But the lady is saying there's a ton of cool vehicles that try to be in the parade every year, but she just can't let them in. You gotta be dressed up. So we're not dressed up enough. We're not done up enough. So it is what it is. It's actually really funny that we got kicked out of a parade. Anyway, we're heading back down the street. Now that I think about it, I think we're actually gonna be stuck behind the parade anyway, so, in all the irony. So that's all you had to do, dress your car up, is throw some balloons on it, like those other guys. Tyler and I are following the parade, because that's where we need to go anyway.
Yep.
We should have looked like this morning when we opened the door.
I like those pit vipers.
Like we were rejected? Yeah. You should go to tail. Oh, you didn't get a free pair? Tailgate?
No.
Man.
Yeah, I know.
Oh good, there's one car in front of us.
Oh,
That feels
that
better.
makes it less awkward.
Yep. Way less awkward. Just going straight. Ah, they kicked us out, but we're gonna go this way anyway now. Hey, Nicky. Reject parade. We get one kid. Yay! I have no idea how we did it, but we just got a parking spot right down the street from the festival. Let's go. Yeah, so this festival gets close to 10,000 people showing up over the weekend, so it's probably going to be packed.
Good to see you, Sylvie. It's good to see you, Maddie. I see you hiding back there.
What's up, buddy? Play something pretty.
What's up, Timmy? I'll play a song about drinking.
Yeah, this is
almost
my guys.
halfway there.
This guy helps make all this possible. He's crazy.
back here, holding it down.
What's going on over there? Nice. It looks pretty nice. So everybody, this is Meg. She makes some pretty cool stuff. Oh no, how long have you been doing this?
Huh? I've been drawing since I was a kid.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Design for 18 years.
You just kept getting like really good at it? Better?
I guess so.
Yeah. I keep on waiting to like, as soon as I finish my cabinet, I'm going to buy a big piece from it. Just like, I keep trying to go every summer and leave buzz bag anywhere. Shit's getting crazy. Sweet. Yeah, sold. Mom will freak out when she sees that.
Well, I would say let's go kayaking sometime, but I probably won't go, so. Yeah. And I'm actually getting to the point where I can be like, yeah, let's go, instead of like, can we go and you need to babysit me?
Yep. Hey, we've all been there. No, you.
Hello, everybody. We are the Half Shoot Dangs Lights. That's right. So we're gonna try to make something happen. I don't know what, but you're gonna hear it.
Stop and think it over. Put yourself in my possession. If I get stoned, just carrying on an old family tradition. Don't ask me, hey, why do you drink? Hey, why do you all smoke? Why must you live by the song that you wrote? When the doctor asked me, son, how you get in this condition? But I hope I die on my bicycle. Shine by just stuff, putting you with the lady. Choking on a little piece of chicken and a gravy. Over to my woods, set up my love. Eat my bear while I'm tripping in the woods. But I say go.
Just for your ride. Man, I don't know how he does it. That dude does that for 4 hours. 100 songs. It's crazy.
Wherever I am, you'll always be more than just a memory. Before the earth leaves this world alive, it's all those whiskey-fueled fights. Somehow it still feels right all the way. But all the cigarettes must be going to my head. All each other's songs are starting to sound the same. Yippee-ki-yay.
The Johnny Loans. I forgot his story on that one.
You're welcome. Yes, you may. Closer here.
10, 15 minutes or so.
just some YouTubings.
Oh, nice.
Trying to capture the cool booths.
There you go. Here's the cool booth.
Yep.
Do the searing.
Well done.
You're okay, this.